猿蟹合戦 The Crab and the Monkey. Once upon a time, a kind little crab was walking by a river. She found a rice bowl and was so happy. "Hello, crab," said the monkey. "Would you like to trade your rice bowl for my seed?" The crab thought, "If I plant this seed, maybe I can grow sweet fruit." So she agreed. The crab carefully planted the seed in her garden. She watered it every day, and soon a tree grew tall with many ripe persimmons. But the tree was too high. The crab couldn't reach the fruit. The monkey came back and said, "I'll climb the tree and pick some for you." But once he was up in the tree, he began eating all the fruit. He threw hard green ones at the crab and ran away. The poor crab was hurt and very sad. Her good friends came to visit: a rice mortar, a chestnut, a bee, and a big heavy stone. They heard what had happened and said, "We will help you." Together, they made a clever plan. They wanted for the monkey to come home. The chestnut hid in the fireplace. The bee waited in a jar. The mortar stood by the door, and the stone stayed on the roof. When the monkey returned, the chestnut jumped out and surprised him. The bee stung him. The mortar hit his feet, and the big stone fell and broke the door. The monkey was so shocked and scared. "I'm so sorry." He apologized to the crab and promised to be kind from now on. The crab forgave him, and they all shared sweet persimmons together. And they all lived happily ever after.